Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use night mode on iPhone camera. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the camera app, select photo. Once you selected photo, then press and hold the shutter button and then swipe right. Now press and hold the home screen to enable AE or AF lock, then reduce the AE and AF lock to the barest minimum. And thereafter, click on the shutter button and then drag it to the right. This is going to turn to video. Now to use the night mode, all you need to do is come back to the AEAF lock and then start increasing it gradually. And once you're done, go ahead and click on the shutter button to stop recording. This is going to give you night mode on your iPhone camera. So, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.